Welcome to day 9 of Daily AI Wizard, my amazing wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled AI guide, and I'm absolutely buzzing with excitement today. Have you ever wondered what makes machine learning models so smart at predicting things? We're unraveling the magic of features and labels, the secret ingredients behind AI's brilliance. You won't believe how fascinating this is, so stick with me. I've brought my best friend to say hello. Features in machine learning are the input variables that our models use to make predictions, and they're so exciting to explore. They describe the characteristics of data points, like age or income in a customer dataset. For example, when predicting house prices, features might include the house's size and location, which help the model guess the price. Features are the building blocks of predictions, and picking the right ones is pure magic. I love how they bring data to life. Labels in machine learning are the output variables we want to predict, and they're the key to supervised learning's magic. They're the answers the model learns from, like the correct category or value. For example, in house price prediction, the house price itself is the label we're trying to predict. Labels guide the model to learn patterns by showing it what's right. I'm so thrilled to see how labels make ML models come alive. Features and labels are so crucial in machine learning, and I'm passionate about their impact. Features define what the model learns from, giving it the data to understand patterns. Labels define what the model predicts, guiding it to the right answers in supervised learning. When you have good features and labels, you get better accuracy. It's that simple. They're truly the heart of ML success, and I love how they work together. Feature selection is all about choosing the most relevant features, and it's such a game changer. It reduces the complexity of the model by focusing on what matters, which improves performance. Methods like statistical tests and correlation analysis help us pick the best features. This step can make your ML model faster and more accurate, saving time and resources. I'm absolutely thrilled by how feature selection transforms ML magic. Feature selection matters so much, and I'm so excited to share why. It helps avoid irrelevant or redundant features that can confuse the model, keeping things focused. It speeds up model training. Yay for efficiency? Who doesn't love that? It also prevents overfitting, where the model memorizes data instead of learning patterns. This makes models more reliable and accurate, and I'm passionate about its impact. Feature engineering is about creating new features from existing data, and it's pure magic. It enhances model performance by adding meaningful information that wasn't there before. For example, we might create an age group feature like young, middle-aged, or senior from raw age data. This creative step can boost the model's power, making predictions even better. I'm so thrilled by how feature engineering sparks ML brilliance. Feature engineering techniques are so creative, and I'm bursting with excitement to share them. Binning groups numerical data, like turning ages into groups such as 20-30 or 30-40. Polynomial features add interactions, like creating age squared to capture nonlinear patterns. For text, we can extract keywords to make it usable for ML models. This creativity boosts ML performance, and I love how it unlocks new possibilities. Evaluating features and labels is so important, and I'm thrilled to dive into this. We check feature importance using methods like correlation to see which ones matter most. We also ensure labels are accurate and balanced. For example, avoiding imbalanced labels where 90% are yes and only 10% are no, which can bias the model. Good evaluation leads to better, fairer models, ensuring success. I'm so passionate about getting this right. Features and labels power incredible real-world applications, and I'm so inspired by them. In healthcare, features like symptoms predict a label, such as a disease, helping doctors save lives. In finance, features like transactions predict a label of fraud, keeping our money safe. In retail, features like purchases predict customer churn, helping businesses thrive. I'm absolutely thrilled by how features and labels create amazing solutions. Features and labels come with challenges, but overcoming them makes ML shine. And I'm so excited to tackle this. Missing data can leave features or labels incomplete, making learning harder. Noisy labels, like incorrect or inconsistent ones, confuse the model and hurt accuracy. Having too many features can overcomplicate the model, slowing it down. I'm passionate about solving these challenges to make ML models the best they can be. Here are some tips for working with features and labels, and I'm so excited to share them. Start with domain knowledge to pick features that make sense for your problem. It's a great foundation. Balance your labels to avoid bias, ensuring fairness, which is so important in ML. Test different feature sets to find what works best for your model, experimenting with joy. Keep learning and trying new things. It's so much fun.